Hi, this is Imam Qasim. Today, I am going to explain you the comprehension passages. At the end of this video, you may able to understand the comprehension passage of 10th class, Unit 1, Reading A, Attitude is Altitude. Before I going to start a class, I would like to begin my class with a saying. The saying is from Jimmy Dean. The saying goes like this: I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. What do you understand from this saying? Yes, you are correct. We have to mold ourselves. We have to change ourselves. We have to flexible ourselves to reach the destination. When situation demands. When situation demands, we have to change ourselves to reach the destination. Then only we can reach our goal. Okay, let's start the class. Now it's time to play. Okay, you have to follow my commands. Dear students, are you ready to play games? Okay, ready to start. If before I start the game, I would like to instruct you how to play the game. If I ask you to raise your right hand, you have to raise your right hand. If I ask you to drop your right hand, you have to drop your right hand. If I ask you to raise your left hand, you have to raise your left hand. If I ask you to drop your left hand, you have to drop your left hand. See, all of you students, stand up. Sridevi is laughing. Oh, Padma is smiling. Kalavati, why are you so serious? Be smile on your face. Okay? Anjaneyulu, stand in your place. Channakrishna, be active. Are you ready? Okay, it's time to play. Raise your right hand. Drop your right hand. Raise your left hand. Drop your left hand. Raise your two hands. Drop your two hands. Raise your two hands. Drop your two hands. Stand on the desk. Jump on the floor. Okay, nice. Nice place. Okay, take your seats. Now, if I ask you, imagine that you were born without arms. If I ask you to raise your hands, do you really do this? You can't do because you have no arms. If you no arms, if I instruct you to raise your hands, you can't raise your hands. You will feel distress. Okay, so imagine being born without arms, no arms to wrap, no arms to touch someone, no hands to experience to touch or hold another thing. Imagine if you don't have, if you're born without limbs, without legs. If I asked you to stand on the desk, will you? You can't. If I ask you to walk with me, if I ask you to run with me, will you? If I ask you to swim without arms and legs, will you do this? Okay, it's really incredible if a person does like this. Okay, let us see. I would like to introduce the greatest personality who have born without arms and legs. He has no arms and legs, but he swims. He plays football. He swims and he surfs. The greatest person is Nick Vujicic. So that's our lesson. Unit 1, Reading A, Attitude is Altitude. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. What does this sentence mean? He didn't care about his disability. He concentrated to reach the goal. He overcome his obstacles. And the brave 26 years old, Here mentioned 26 years old in your textbook page number 3. But if you observe, he was born in 1982. This means he is 37 years old now. Okay. The brave 26 years old who is mainly torso. What is the meaning of torso? The main part of the body, not including the head, arms, and legs. That means the Nick Vujicic has no arms and legs. That's why he is called torso. Who is mainly torso plays football and go. See, without arms and legs, he plays football and golf, swims and surfs. He may able to swim and surf, despite having no limbs. Okay, despite having no legs. Okay, let us have a glance on his pictures. See, he is Nick Vujicic, who was born in 1982. The images which has been mentioned here, Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic was born in 1982. Now, listen on his voice.
Nick was born in Melbourne in 1982, the long-awaited first child of Boris and Dushka Vujicic. When I was born, the doctors held me low enough.
Okay, have you observed? He has no arms and legs. He was born without arms and legs. Now, see, I already mentioned that he plays football. Let us see how he plays football without legs, without limbs. Let us see.
You're beautiful, just the way you are.
Have you observed how he plays football? It's very unbelievable. See how he plays golf by tucked a club under his chin. How he tucked. You just observe. Without arms, without limbs, he plays golf by using the club tucked under his chin. Okay, shall we see?
Nick is an inspiration with a phenomenal passion for life that's intoxicating for everyone who meets him. Nice. Give me 5, man.
In this picture, have you observed a small toe on his left hip, which helps him to balance, enables him to kick the ball? Have you observed? Okay. Next, move to the next slide. I already mentioned that he swims without arms and legs. Shall we see the footage how he swims? Okay.
Nick Vujicic was born with no legs and no arms. I'm going out on a limb. What do you want? But he's sure got plenty of guts. This is scary right here, mate. This is where you gotta have guts. Or you're a bit crazy. 10. Nice, mate. Thank you very much. You're a generous judge. This 25-year-old Australian is climbing over every obstacle life puts in front of him, and he's doing it with style.
See how he swims without arms and legs. Just to observe, if you want to swim, just have a moment by arms and legs. Without arms and legs, he swims very nice. Let's move to the another slide. Now we have to observe how he surfs. So on the waves, let us see. Have you observed? He surfs without fear. Have you ever surfed? No. Okay. Let us move another slide. I didn't mention that he skate on the iceberg also. Let us have a glance how he skate.
You fall down. You feel like you don't have the strength to get back up. I'm down here.
From these small footages, you observed how he swims, how he plays football, golf, and how he surf. Okay. Now let's move the another slide. Now this is a comprehension passage, which will be comes under which will come under 10th class examination paper 1 from question number 1 to 5. First, read the passage carefully. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave 26 years old, who is mainly torso, plays football and golf, swims and surfs, despite having no limbs. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. You have observed in the videos. Nick has a small foot on his left hip, which helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to tie, write with a pen, pick things up between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I'd be lost without it. Water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and is a huge of the English Premier League. This is the passage. Just I will give 2 minutes just to read the passage. Okay, read silently. Have you completed? Now it's time to assess yourself. Assess. Okay. I will give some questions regarding this passage. The first question is, what is the more pathetic of Nick? Just think, observe, then you have to answer the questions. Ready? Everybody individual, you have to individually practice. Next, second question is, but he doesn't let the details stop him. What does this phrase means? How does Nick play golf? These multiple choice questions. Okay. Option A, with the help of a club, with the help of his friend, with the help of his parents. Question number 4. What do you mean by the sentence I would be lost without it? Here 3 options are given. Nick feels that he will be lost if he does go to the Los Angeles. Nick feels that he will be unable to do anything if he doesn't have his small foot. Option C. Nick feels that he will die if he doesn't eat chicken drumstick. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true? True or false? You have to write true or false. Melbourne is in Los Angeles. Melbourne is in Australia. Australia is in Los Angeles. Okay. I will give 1 minute. Just try to write the answers. Completed. Okay. Who is ready to present the question answers? Padmavati is so active. Padma, come forward. Okay. Read the questions and answers.
Okay, sir. What is the more pathetic of Nick? Because he was born with no arms and legs, that is the more pathetic to him.
Good answer.
Question number 2. But he doesn't let the details stop him. What does this phrase mean? It means he doesn't think about his disabilities. Moreover, he focused on something he wants to achieve. Question number 3. How does Nick play golf? Option A, with the help of a club. B, with the help of his friend. C, with the help of his parents. The correct answer is option A, with the help of a club. Number 4. What do you mean by the sentence, I'd be lost without it? A. Nick feels that he will be lost if he does go to Los Angeles. B. Nick feels that he will be unable to do things if he does not have his small foot. C. Nick feels that he will die if he doesn't eat chicken drumstick. The correct answer is option B. Nick feels that he will be unable to do things if he doesn't have his small foot. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true? A. Melbourne is in Los Angeles. B. Melbourne is in Australia. C. Australia is in Los Angeles. The correct answer is Melbourne is in Australia. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Padma. You have presented very well. The answers are very suitable and very correct. I appreciate you. Keep it up. Now, I will do the same passage, but I change the questions. Observe. Questions are like this. First question is, who is torso? Second question is, what is the actual meaning of chicken drumstick? Third question is, Nick is good at what? A. IPL. B. Water sports. C. Football. Fourth question goes like this. How does Nick's small foot help him? It helps him balance and enables to kick. It helps him to swim. Option C, enables him to jump. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true? In spite of torso, he plays many games. B. Despite having no limbs, he may watch movies. C. He has negative attitude because of having no arms and legs. Okay, as usual, I will give 1 minute. Think for a while and present your answers. Are you ready? Okay, who is going to present the answers? Kalavati, you are ready. Okay, thank you. Come forward and read the questions and answers.
Yes, sir. Question number 1. Who is Tarso? The answer is Nick Vujicic. Question number 2. What is the actual meaning of chicken drumstick? The answer is the lowest joint of the leg of the chicken. Question number 3. Nick is good at. The given options are option A, IPL, option B, water sports, option C, football. The correct answer is water sports. Question number 4. How does Nick's small foot help him? The options are it helps him balance and enables to kick. Option B, it helps him to swim. Option C, it enables him to jump. The correct answer is A, that is, it helps him balance and enables to kick. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true? Option A, in spite of torso, he plays many games. Option B, despite having no limbs, he may watch movies. Option C, he has negative attitude because of having no arms. The correct answer is, in spite of torso, he plays many games. Okay, thank you, sir.
Nice, Kalavati. At the beginning, you were serious, but you presented very well. Thank you. Now, I would like to mention here, fourth question is the options are very reliable, all options. See, how does Nick's small foot help him? It helps him balance and enables to kick. And it helps him to swim. It enables him to jump. If you think the small foot, generally he uses in everything, but it helps him to balance. He mentioned in the passage, it helps him balance and enables him to kick, enables to kick the ball. Okay, so good answers and good presentation, Kalavati. Thank you very much. Now move to the So I have some references for that. I have taken footages and videos, videos short forms from these references. If you want to read more thing, you just go these references. Thank you very much for watching this, and like and subscribe my video. This is Imam Qasim. Next, I will come in the next video. This passage has been taken from the textbook, page number 3. That is from Attitude is Attitude. Thank you very much. Bye.